Welcome to Kinley's channel. I would like to talk about some garment workmanship today. I'm gonna to introduce printing, quilting, punch hole, hilt details, but I won't make it too boring for you. Now follow me to our factory. Go! This is the laser cut workmanship. Put the fabric under the laser, and the laser is controlled by program of computer. You can make any pattern you want, also your own company logo. It's suitable to be used for both knitted and woven fabric. Next is the fake down padding workmanship. Firstly, stitch two fabric together and put under the quilting model, and then stitch the lines. Next step is to put the fake down padding inside the panel one by one. Close the edge. This workmanship can have similar puffy fitting like the rear down. This is the quilting workmanship. We put the shell fabric, full piece padding and lining 3 layers together and stitched under the model. This is cheaper but not as much puffy fitting as the fake down workmanship. This is the seam tipped workmanship. And this is the puffy padding workmanship. This is different to previous two kinds of the padding workmanship. Firstly, we stitch the shell fabric and lining together and then put the padding inside and then close the edge. And finally, we use the quilting model to stitch the line. This is the seamless eyelet workmanship. Firstly, laser cut the eyelet with glue backside and put the eyelet in correct position and pressed with high temperature. Finally, laser cut the hole of entrance of hood string. Next is the seamless zipper. Laser cut the zipper shape on the material with glue and put the tip in position of back of the fabric. And this is to laser cut the shape on shell fabric and then stitch the zipper on the pocket lining. And position the entrance for the zipper. Next step is to press with the high temperature. This is another side of the zipper. The same, we need to press with high temperature again. And finally, we need to add the buttocks here to prevent the zipper running off. And this is the seamless slip puller workmanship. Stitch the velcro firstly and put the glue in back, stitched together, clean the edge, and then turn over. Also, finally, we press with high temperature. This is the transfer print. Thank you guys for coming along on a tour of introducing Lowe's Workmanship. It's a great pleasure to show you what we can do here. If you are interested in other workmanship, please don't hesitate to leave the message here or write me email. Okay, thank you guys. See you next time.